In this video, we reveal the best carpet stain removers for tackling tough messes. From pet accidents, these top-rated solutions deliver powerful, safe, and reliable results for cleaner carpets and fresher homes. If you're dealing with tough stains on carpets or area rugs, the OXICLEAN Carpet and Area Rug Stain Remover is a real game changer. I've been using this product and it doesn't disappoint. It works wonders on everything from food spills to dirt, and even pet accidents thanks to its special oxygenation process. This formula lifts stains with ease, and I've found that it doesn't just mask the problem, it actually tackles the stain at the source. The spray itself is really simple to use. Just apply, wait a bit, and blot away. The fresh, clean scent left behind is an added bonus. This 24-ounce 2-pack is perfect for tackling multiple spots around the house, and it lasts for quite a while. If you're looking for an affordable, effective stain remover that gets the job done without much hassle, OXICLEAN spray is definitely worth checking out. We tried out the BIOKLEEN BAC-OUT carpet cleaner spray across a variety of messy situations, from pet accidents on rugs to upholstered chairs. The spray bottle is ready to use right out of the box. No mixing, no measuring. Just spray and let the live enzyme cultures get to work. It handled food stains and pet odors with ease, breaking down the grime naturally without any harsh chemical smell. The subtle lime scent is a nice touch, fresh without being overpowering. We used it on car seats, laundry stains, and even the trash can, and it kept delivering. At around $30 for the 32-ounce 2-pack, it's a reliable plant-based cleaner that punches above its weight. And since it's free from phosphates, chlorine, and ammonia, it's safe to use around kids and pets. Just point, spray, and let the bioactive formula handle the dirty work. If you're dealing with tough pet stains and odors, Arm & Hammer Pet Stain and Odor Remover Plus OXICLEAN is a game changer. It combines the power of Arm & Hammer's deodorizing baking soda with OXICLEAN's stain-fighting formula, making it perfect for carpets and upholstery. The 32-ounce spray bottle is easy to use and delivers a strong, efficient spray to target stains and neutralize odors in one go. It works quickly to remove pet urine stains and other tough messes, leaving behind a clean, fresh scent without any harsh chemical. A single bottle is sufficient for multiple uses, and the formula is safe and effective for regular cleaning in homes with pets. The spray works on a variety of surfaces, ensuring you get maximum value. Expect to pay around $10 to $12 for this reliable, odor-neutralizing solution. It's an excellent option to keep your home clean and fresh. When it comes to pre-treat formulas, the BISSELL Tough Oxy is the real deal. Sure, it looks like your average bottle, but the oxygen-based formula really digs into stains fast. We used it on old coffee marks, makeup spills, even jelly stains, and it pulled them up without breaking a sweat. The 22-ounce bottle is easy to handle, and we love that it doubles as a spot cleaner too. The coffee scent is subtle but refreshing, and the biodegradable formula means you're not spraying a bunch of harsh stuff on your rug. It's safe on carpets, area rugs, and upholstery, and it's pet-friendly when used as directed. Plus, every bottle helps support the BISSELL Pet Foundation, which is a nice bonus. You can grab a 2-pack for under $20, making it one of the better value picks if you want a fast-acting, multi-use stain remover that doesn't mess around. ROCCO and ROXIE'S Oxy Stain Remover is the brand's toughest oxygen-powered formula yet. While it doesn't come with any scent, what it lacks in fragrance, it makes up for in performance. Designed for heavy-duty stain removal, this 32-ounce bottle impressed us with how quickly it tackles the toughest messes: urine, ink, even blueberry stains. The activated oxygen breaks stains apart on contact, and it's safe to use on just about anything: carpets, couches, laundry, mattresses, you name it. What really stands out is that it's CRI certified, so it won't leave residue or that crunchy carpet feel. It's chlorine-free, non-aerosol, and perfectly safe to use around pets and kids. At just under $20, it might be one of the most versatile stain removers we've tested. If you've got pets, messy kids, or just a busy home, grab a bottle of this stain buster. You won't be disappointed.